Here at Eastern Tyres, we have over 25 years of experience when it comes to tyre fitting and tyre repair services. Based in Essex, our team of fully qualified mechanics are experts in enhancing the condition of your vehicle. With a large stock of high-quality tyres, you can rely on the team at Eastern to provide an expert tyre fitting service. With a free tyre check for every customer, we offer tyre fitting solutions for cars, trucks and bikes. We offer a reliable and efficient puncture repair service to give you peace of mind when you need it most. Our honest and friendly team of mechanics will get you back on the road in no time. At Eastern Tyres, we understand the importance of vehicle road safety. We provide wheel alignment solutions for cars of all sizes, helping to reduce tyre and suspension wear. Using modern laser wheel alignment equipment, our professional team will make sure your suspension and steering work without preventable strain and that your tyres achieve the best mileage, saving you money and avoiding tyre damage. We also offer a wide range of spray and brush paint for all your paint requirements. So, for wheel balancing, wheel alignment, battery servicing, puncture repairs and paint services, call Eastern Tyres today.